financial modeling, because financial modeling is just about crunching numbers. It's about making smart, data-driven decisions that impact real businesses. So it's not just a coaching that you have here. It's an experiential, practical learning of things. You get insights into the financial statements, valuation techniques, and so much more. The crux of the training is given by Manoj, my partner, and myself. So we are personally also involved in the training. Having trained more than 15,000 candidates over the last 15 years, we know exactly what works and what does not work. Hello everyone, welcome back to the WallStreet School channel. If you're looking to level up your finance skills and are interested in mastering financial modeling, then you are at the right place. Today, we are going to talk about why you should look at the WallStreet School in Delhi NCR as your most preferred place to learn nuances of financial modeling. So let's dive in. First thing first, the WallStreet School offers a comprehensive industry-relevant curriculum of financial modeling, because financial modeling is just about crunching numbers. It's about making smart, data-driven decisions that impact real businesses. And that's exactly what you learn here. We run our own investment bank, ARC Financial Services, and whatever we teach in our training is basically a byproduct of whatever practically we do. So it's not just a coaching that you have here. It's an experiential, practical learning of things. This course covers everything from basic Excel to advanced financial modeling techniques like DCF, like LBO, like value investing in stock markets, how to use AI to work effectively, learning modeling using flags, so that you are more empowered, you're more resourceful, you're more skillful in terms of your own self. You'll get insights into the financial statements, valuation techniques, and so much more, all of which are critical in today's finance world. One of the key factors that sets the WallStreet School apart is the faculty. They are just not teachers, they are industry experts with years of experience working in top-tier finance firms, investment banks, and consulting firms. The crux of the training is given by Manoj, my partner, and myself. So we are personally also involved in the training at our end. So if you're joining TWSS, you can just be assured of the top-notch faculties, one-on-one mentoring, personalized attention to each and every candidate. Each one of you will feel dedication, devotion, and years of experience, helping you become a better version of you. As I said, it's just not going to be a coaching. It's going to be a relationship of a lifetime and an experience of a life. Having trained more than 15,000 candidates over the last 15 years, we know exactly what works and what does not work. When it comes to the trainers, you can just be assured of top quality, and they work in the top firms, and they don't just teach from the books. We all bring real experiences to the table. And at the WallStreet School, it's not at all about theory. We focus a lot on practical exposure. We'll work on real-world case studies, financial reports, and live projects, giving you hands-on experience that's essential when you're looking to apply these skills in the job market. This means by the time you finish the course, you'll not only understand the theory, but also how to build complex models from scratch, how do you analyze the data, and how do you present your findings like a professional. And let's talk about one of the biggest advantages of the WallStreet School, our focus on job placements. We are completely transparent in terms of placements with a live update of placements of our candidates on our website along with the LinkedIn ID, so that you can independently take feedback of the experience of the candidates. We have partnered with 500 plus companies in finance, investment banks, consulting, or corporate finance, ensuring that you have the higher chances of landing a job after you have completed the course. We started way back in 2009, and having trained more than 50,000 candidates now, the biggest earning for us has been a very, very strong alumni network. Those candidates who passed out from us way back in 2009 or 10 or 11 or 12 or 13, who started at junior level positions. Now, they are at senior level positions in different companies. So we also get a lot of buy-in from them in terms of the requirements of the candidates in their respective companies also. Right? And here's something that really makes it easy for everyone. The WallStreet School offers flexible learning options. So whether you prefer in-person classes or online classes, you've got you covered. So whether you're a working professional or a student, you can learn at your own pace without compromising on the quality. Because once you're a part of our ecosystem, then you are our responsibility. As I said, we try to provide you with an experience, right, and just not a coaching. Another great advantage of enrolling in the WallStreet School is this strong alumni network, because as a student you will get access to a community of professionals, mentors and experts who can guide you throughout your career. Networking with such a strong alumni is a great way to open doors and learn from people who have already walked the path you are on. So there you have it. If you're serious about mastering financial modeling, the WallStreet School in Delhi NCR is your best friend. With the industry-relevant curriculum, experienced trainers, hands-on approach, job placement support, and flexible learning options, we offer everything you need to take your career in finance to the next level. So if you're ready to start your financial modeling journey, make sure to check out the link in the description below. For more details, call us at 93550-57509 or visit us at www.thewallstreetschool.com. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more career advice, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss out on any update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your financial modeling journey.